Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bulk up fast with supplements. First, understand that supplements complement, not replace, a solid nutrition and training plan. We'll cover key supplements like protein and creatine, discussing their roles in muscle development. Remember, consistency in your diet and workouts is paramount for achieving significant gains. Let's dive into the specifics to help you maximize your results safely and efficiently. Protein is fundamental for muscle repair and growth. Whey protein, for example, is rapidly digested, making it excellent for post-workout recovery. Casein offers a slower release of amino acids, beneficial for sustained muscle feeding, perhaps overnight. Ensure your total daily intake is sufficient, typically around 1.6 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight to support your bulking goals effectively. Creatine is a powerful supplement for increasing strength and power. Creatine monohydrate is highly effective and widely studied. You might start with a loading phase of 20 grams daily for about 5 to 7 days, then transition to a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams daily. This helps saturate your muscles, leading to improved performance during high-intensity workouts and faster muscle gains. Beyond protein and creatine, consider a good multivitamin to cover any micronutrient gaps. Omega-3 fatty acids can also support overall health and reduce exercise-induced inflammation. Remember, supplements are just one piece of the puzzle. Consistent, challenging workouts, proper nutrition, and sufficient sleep, ideally 7 to 9 hours nightly, are equally vital for achieving your bulking goals quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.